Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about trending social media words that you would definitely need to know, especially if you are active on social media. Let's go. Before we start with the first word, I need this and I need this. And we are going to create an awesome sauce. Okay, let's create the awesome sauce and let's tell you why we need awesome sauce. So, awesome sauce means amazing or great or wonderful. And it doesn't really mean, okay, this sauce is not really awesome. It's almost empty. Okay, so it basically means something amazing, not really two sauces mixed together. No, it just means something was wonderful. For example, the party was awesome sauce, or the class was awesome sauce. So it was amazing or it was wonderful. Word number 2, which is very similar to awesome sauce, but it is slay. You hear this word a lot on the internet, and it literally means amazing, wonderful, awesome, awesome sauce. So the party was slay, or he was slay. Word number 3, and it's my favorite, which is delulu. I don't know if you've heard of this word before, but delulu does not really mean doo-doo and lulu. Delulu is from the word delusional. And to be delusional means to be crazy or you're just imagining things. So don't be delulu. Okay, people, now it's time for famous and viral expressions. The first expression is to spell the tea. Okay, well, this is water, not tea, obviously. This is the cup for Gossip Girl. If you're following me on Instagram, you'll understand, but let's pretend this is tea. I am spelling the tea. I am pouring tea. I'm pouring tea and suddenly I spill tea on my clothes. And that actually happened. It spilled it on me. Okay, but the point is, spell the tea is not an expression that means to have tea falling on your clothes. No, it basically means to say the gossip. Like, tell me what's the news. Tell me what's the gossip. And you know, on my Instagram, Gossip Girl always spells the tea. She always has gossip to share. And expression number 2 is to drop a bomb. Before I give you the meaning, let me give you an example and you try to guess the meaning. For example, you know what? My favorite influencer has just dropped a bomb. You know, she has just got engaged to her favorite celebrity. And what does that mean? Yes, to tell us something very surprising and just suddenly without any expectations. So this influencer has just told us that she got engaged to her favorite celebrity without any expectations, without giving us any hints or any clues. Okay, you guys, and that's it for this video. I wanted to make it short and light, and if you like part 2 of this video, share it with me and tell me in the comments so I make more videos about trending social media words in English. See you in the next video.